paid to work out. Okay, got my blender. What? Thanks, Healthbet. Oh, God. Thanks, Healthbet. Oh, thanks, Healthbet. You're so sweet. I love you. Oh, God. Okay, just gotta log in my workout and my Shakeology on my app. Oh, thanks, Healthbet. I love you so much. You support me and my goals. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Jacqueline, your health and fitness coach. I've teamed up with Beachbody and they're willing to bet over $1 million that you will get results by pushing play on your workout and drinking Shakeology this September. It's called the Health Bet. What we do is you just have to be part of my challenge group that starts September 5th and log in your workout each day and your Shakeology each day with a cute little selfie holding up your Shakeology, and you'll be entered to win part of the over $1 million money pool. That's it. Simple as that. All you have to do is sign up by the 24th and you're in. Let's get paid to work out and make getting fit our fortune.